All right, you are watching Game Dev Bits with Temps. Apologies for the lack of intro, but we're going to get into something a little faster and shorter than normal and a lot less formal. All right, so someone was chatting on the Synty Discord about seeing some flickering on the side of some models, which looks like it's being caused by some Z fighting. So what we're going to do is really quickly jump into Probuilder to fix it up. So the issue that we're seeing is on the side of these big buildings here. And it's pretty much across this middle section. So what we're going to do is grab the first one, jump across into the prefab, and what we'll see is you're the outside of the building, and then there is this floor in the middle. And this floor is what's actually causing the issue for us. So what we'll do is we'll select the model. As you can see, it's using this particular mesh. And then we will Probuilderize the children. No, we don't care about those. All right, here we go. So we've pro-builderized our mesh. Everything looks exactly the same. So what we want to do is go to face mode up here. Select this face. Hit W to make sure that we're in move mode. And we're just going to slide it to the side so we can see this side face here. So we'll select that. Hit backspace to get rid of it. Go over to the other side. Select that face. Make sure the bottom one doesn't light up. We've actually selected the face. Backspace again to get rid of it. And then select this face again. And just slide it back in so it goes just inside this wall. All right, that one is done. So now what happens is the mesh renderer, the mesh filter part has been removed and replaced with the Probuilder one. So let's just go back to the scene. Let's save our changes. And then we'll grab double number 2, same thing. Let's head in. All right, select the parent object, hit Probuilderize. Don't Probuilderize the children, which is just those doors. And same thing again. Face mode, select it, drag it to the side, select him, backspace to go away. Don't worry, you can see through it. Backspace, select that one, go away, and then we put him back here, drag it back in, and that Z fighting issue should now go away. We'll go back to the scene, save that. Now after we do that, you'll notice in our preview here, we've got just the door. But if we grab that and drag it into the scene, you'll see the whole building is intact. Just the building isn't being rendered in that thumbnail anymore. And that's all there is to it. A couple of quick processes and you're back in business. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys for the next video.